New Kimi K2.6 just dropped and it's insanely good for coding. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get it for free and test it to show you results like this. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next videos. And the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you'll get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Let's start. To get the new Kimi K2.6 AI model, you have to go on arena.ai. And on this website, you'll be able to get it for free. What you gotta do is click right here on login. And now you can either create your account with Google or with an email and a password. I'm gonna create mine with Google and I'm now on Arena's website. Before we test Kimi K2.6, there's a few features you have to know. As you can see, the interface is very simple, just like ChatGPT. And in the bar prompt, you can add file, you can do the web search, you can generate images, you can create code, and finally, you can generate videos. And if you click right here, you have different modes. You have the battle mode, the side-by-side, and the direct. For the battle mode, it's 2 anonymous models. For the side-by-side, it's 2 models of your choice. And finally, for the direct chat, is only 1 model at a time. If I click on direct, I can now choose the AI model that I want. As you can see, I can choose between the text, the code, the image, and the web search. And there's different AI models for each of those categories. Kimi K2.6 is an AI model that is mainly for code. So I'm gonna click on code. And as you can see, we have the top code models. We have Gemini 3 Flash, GLM 5.1, Qwen, Claude Sonnet, Minimax, GPT, and many more. And so to find Kimi K2.6, you need to search Kimi right here. And as you can see, we have Kimi K2.6. You have to click on it and it's gonna be selected. And as you can see, the code feature is automatically selected. You can now use Kimi K2.6 for free. And now I'm gonna test its codability to see how far it can go. For the first test, I'm gonna ask it to build a Dart game. And I'm gonna click right here on generate. As you can see, Kimi K2.6 is now generating the code. And it's gonna start coding in different files of the code. The code is now done, and as you can see, we have our entire game made with Kimi K2.6. We have the instructions on how to play. We have different game and different statistics on the right. The game works perfectly well. I need to click one time to select the target, and then I need to click at the right time to get enough power. And once the dart hit, we have the score in real time. So I just created an entire game with Kimi K2.6, but now I'm gonna try to test the animations. I'm now doing the second test. The prompt is build a playing card deck, and now I'm gonna click on generate. So once again, it's still using Kimi K2.6 and it's the same interface as the first example. It started by thinking and now it's coding directly into files. It can take a few minutes, but here's the result. The code is now done, and as you can see, we have the card deck and we can select multiple animations. As you can see, all these animations are very well made with the code. And if I go over the cards, there's animations of the cards. And if I click on a card, it's reversing. And if I click once again, it's going back to normal. The animations are very good and you can use that for everything you want. And now for the last test of this video, I'm still selecting the direct chat and the Kimi K2.6 model, and I'm saying create an origami guide with step-by-step fold, and I click on generate. I'm gonna click on paper airplane. There is 7 steps and we have the instructions as we go. If I click on next step, we have another description of what we have to do, and we have a visual to make sure we really understand. As you can see, Kimi K2.6 is really good to code. You can do many things. It can be create a video game, create animations, or create visuals. It can take a few minutes to create the code, but as you can see from the results, they were amazing. You can now use it for free. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.